on my phone. I clicked the link that the note came to my phone.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah.
right, cool. Then if you could just see the comments, then that's cool.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna get it.
Yeah, I got the chat pulled up.
Cool.
We did. All right, so yeah, man. Yeah, these main stock is dangerous, y'all. For sure dangerous. So we about to go ahead and get into the these main stocks, bro. You wanna elaborate on the origin of these main stocks and how they came to be main stocks?
Yeah. So basically, in my opinion, I believe the meme stock came from Dogecoin. Like that was the first meme ever, the first meme crypto actually. Dogecoin was created to troll Bitcoin or whatever. But yeah, that was the first like basically meme stock that started going crazy on Reddit. And then like all of the other stocks followed up, like GameStop, AMC,
Yeah.
BlackBerry, a whole bunch of different ones. But on this article, they talking about Wendy's. Man, we got to talk about this because now at this point, like Wall Street Bets and all of the people that's in Reddit, they starting to just pump any stock. Like
Yeah, it's getting out of hand, bro.
they're not even like it's not even like a bad stock. They're not shorting it or nothing. Like
Yeah.
but yeah, that's basically how it worked. Like bad stocks that been getting well, that the stock price been going down for a while. Big investors shorted, meaning that they betting on it going down.
Right.
And people like in the Wall Street's Reddit chat, they would pump it up, and the big investors will have to buy more shares, and it's just a nonstop cycle.
Yeah, man.
With that. So yeah, but that's just with like companies that they believe that would have been bad. Like they believe that GameStop was gonna stop selling physical games, and all of the like systems was gonna go completely digital. So they were just betting on it going down. Like it was just gonna be they already high. Honestly, like I know y'all been in GameStop before trying to sell a game. They'd be like, I got 50 cents for you or something crazy. Like, but yeah, like yeah, GameStop, like eventually they're gonna stop selling physical discs and everything gonna be digital, just like the movies. Like you can't really find no more physical movie. You probably can, but nobody really buy those no more.
Yeah, and that's part of the reason why they're shorting it so heavy.
Right,
Like the numbers on the short. So look, out of 100 shares that was outstanding, meaning like, if I got shares of the company, I got a few shares, I got a few of the outstanding shares, which is mean like shares that were sold already.
right.
So the 100% of the outstanding shares, they were shorted 115%.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So
GameStop.
That mean that it barely was any investors invested in GameStop around that time. Like people really didn't even know about the stock GameStop. Like,
well, so when you short something, you basically borrowing the shares. You know what I mean?
Right.
That's what they was doing. They was borrowing shares from people.
Oh yeah, they was over borrowing. Yeah.
Yeah, over borrowing it. So like stock go down and you borrowed it at $100 and the stock go down, then you know what I mean, that's where you make your money at.
Right.
That's how that worked or whatever.
Right.
So they was over shorting it something crazy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's how they over shorted it. They didn't have nobody to buy those additional shares at that low price like that.
Yeah.
Into the Wall Street Reddit, everybody came in there, piled in, and just made it go through the roof. Yeah. At that point, hedge funds, they got to buy extra shares because of the contracts ended and all that.
Yep. So yeah, with a short, like if somebody is shorting the stock, and instead of their stock going down, the stock run up. For the person to
that's called the squeeze, right? The short squeeze.
Well, the short squeeze, no. So the short is two different things. So the short is like, you know what I mean? I'm saying that the stock gonna go down, and I want to make this money when it do go down.
Right.
So I'm gonna short the stock. And when it go down, you make money. But if you do the opposite, you start losing money.
Right,
If you short something, you can lose more than what you bet. So $1,000 on the short, you can still lose $2,000.
Yeah.
So that's why it's so dangerous. So when a company is shorted and it don't go their way, they gotta actually buy these shares to keep from like losing all their money. They got to make it,
Mhm.
you know what I mean, make them they're forced to buy these shares.
Yeah.
And that's what causes the short squeeze.
Yeah.
Because if
Okay.
it's so many people that shorten it, and now they all gotta sell their shorts and actually buy these shares, that's what make the share price shoot through the roof because they actually gotta buy these.
Yeah.
They gotta cover the short. You know what I mean? So they forced to buy them. And by being forced to buy it, and it was 100% short, or almost everybody that was shorting that had to buy shares.
Yeah.
So that's GameStop almost touched $5.
I think
Mainly,
he high like 480 something.
yes, man, son, crazy. It was way overshorted, bro. Like it was, it was unprecedented numbers. Like,
They say the hedge funds. I read something. They were saying the hedge funds lost like 3 to 5 billion.
facts,
Something
facts,
stupid.
facts.
Like,
And it would have been more. It could have easily been more. You know what I mean? If they would have held on to them shorts, thinking they was right.
Robin Hood wouldn't have stopped people from buying shares.
Facts. That was a big. That was
huge.
That was crazy. That definitely really threw him a lifeline. But so yeah, that's basically what a short squeeze is. And this been happening with a lot of different stocks that's been like projected to go out of business. Like AMC was bankrupt last year, wasn't nobody in the movies. So that's why the stock fell so heavy. So they start shortening, like, all right, well, they going out of business, so let's just make money when it go down.
Yeah.
And sure enough, the short squeeze came because Reddit came to the rescue, like, all right, let's buy it up.
I didn't think it was gonna bounce back. It's going crazy now. AMC going stupid, man.
Yeah, brother. I think it's up like 400% in a month, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my
crazy.
God, 400%. That's crazy, bro. So like they can't sustain these gains though. You know what I mean? Yeah, GameStop still doing it. Surprising me, man. I don't understand how GameStop is still working.
They was the first ones that.
Yeah, I guess so. Like
hedge funds ain't know nothing about, no Reddit, no nothing. That was the most shorted ever. So that was the most expensive one that it's gonna go to. Like,
I think it's also the institutional investors that the retail investors like us. Well, not us because we ain't in it, or the people. The people that's buying the stock but don't know what's really going on. Right. They keep hearing off of these chat lines like buy and hold, don't sell for nothing. Yeah. Bro, the people that had the most money in it, they been sold.
Yeah, definitely did.
They sold at 450. They been out of there. They still got you in there propping the stock up. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna. I do gotta disclose this, bro. It's a lot of action on GameStop right now. They really projecting it to run up again. Like,
man, it's a lot of action on AMC. I ain't gonna lie. All type of stocks right now. It's going crazy.
So let's look at some of these stocks real quick and see the type of moves they made in this quick amount of time when they was getting short squeezed.
You wanna touch on how they trying to manipulate Wendy's and say that that's gonna be the next right quick. What they was
real quick, yeah. So
what was that? Oh yeah, so basically this is the most like important thing about shorting the stock. Like we said, they only short stocks that's a bad company. Right. Y'all honestly don't think Wendy's is a bad company, right? Like I probably ate Wendy's probably like a few weeks ago. It ain't no bad company. Definitely. Like, but they make money too. Like, but what was it? Yeah, read that for him, bro. That's real important right there.
Yeah, Wendy's shares are not aggressively shorted or short sold. You know what I mean? It's only being shorted 4.64% of the company's outstanding shares.
And that's nothing compared to 115 GameStop.
Yeah, like, that's nothing. Like that's not really no big short. You know what I mean? So it ain't gonna just run up like GameStop did or AMC been doing.
And that's probably small retail investors shorting it for real. That ain't no big hedge fund or something going into that. Like that's small.
They're also going to say, like, on top of that, the stock is just a plain good to begin with. Like bro was saying, like, you short squeeze bad companies, companies that's known to lose money. Like it's gonna lose money because it's about to go out of business or something like that. Like, and y'all ain't hearing no news about Wendy's going out of business. Like,
right, they probably closed a few stores or something, maybe, or something like that, or missed earnings a few times.
Nothing drastic.
Yeah, for sure.
Nothing drastic. Show for sure.
That's why you just take your profit and get up through, man, with these meme stocks. Like, right now, Wendy's is completely out of the channel. You want to pull up yours right quick, bro?
Yep, I can up that real quick, and we can look at that real quick.
For sure. Let me get you in
here. Yeah. Yeah, because Wendy's already up.
Yeah. Wendy's going crazy. It's all the way out of the channel, out of the RSI. Like it look crazy, man.
Yeah, Wendy's.
But like, I ain't gonna say it's a bad company or like it's not supposed to go up. It's a good company. Like it could go up, but not that much. Like companies don't just shoot up 30% in one day like that, man.
That's stupid though. Like, let me show you all the charts, bro, because this we've been talking about charting, so y'all should know when y'all see these charts, like, oh, it can't sustain that move. It just can't. Like, no stock do it. It might do it for a little bit, but most of these stocks ain't, holding these big gains. Man, this is GameStop, y'all. Look, it broke out the channel again, bruh. It's that's why they got all this action on it right now. I didn't even look at the stock till today. That's exactly why, bruh. That's why that breakout right there.
Oh yeah, this GameStop.
That's the technical analysis right there, bruh. Look, oh my God, textbook, bro. Yeah, I can't. This is not financial advice. I cannot tell y'all what to buy. I'm not fiduciary. Like, this is just all educational purposes. Y'all see, we tell y'all, if you see this channel closing up like this, if it breaks down, you know where it's going. If it break up, you know where it's going. So you see what's going on. You know what I mean? Stop. You know what I mean? So they still trying to make some bread off of this. Be cautious though. If you're gonna play
it's probably gonna go down in the short term, honestly.
Oh yeah. In the long term, it's definitely going down. Like, it run up to, it probably hit another 52-week high, 480, 483. It probably touched that one time, and I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. But let me tell you,
already out of the channel, so who knows?
Let me tell them information I heard today. This does not mean buy this, y'all. This does not mean buy this. Just this is what's happening. So you can look and see the orders that's been placed. You can see where option calls been bought and all that. How many shares being bought and all that. Yeah, so they show on GameStop, there's a large amount of contracts with $800 strike prices. Basically, saying they're expecting this stock to go to $800. Crazy.
Not financial advice, y'all. Not financial advice.
You know what I mean?
But to sum that up, that basically means a lot of people is expecting GameStop to go to $800.
Make a run for
a lot of people within the next few months.
Even if it don't go to 8, they expecting a run. You know what I mean? And just like we tell y'all, when we hit the top of the channel, it's gonna come back down. You know what I mean? Did it again. Boom, hit the top, came back down. It finally broke out right here. It took a couple days. Boom, 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 boom. Like, it broke out today. Yeah. For real. Maybe yesterday a little bit, but I don't know. So, that's one of them. You know what I mean? Let's see what AMC looking like over here, y'all. So real quick. AMC looking crazy. It's looking let's pull this up on the monthly so y'all can see the big picture of what AMC is doing. So this is AMC from this very inception, like the beginning, very beginning. Inception right here. So if you peep game, bro, AMC been falling since what year? 2014. Like, the stock just been falling. This is the trend. It's following a down trend. It broke out. It broke out on this last month in May. Or no, this month in June. It broke out. So that's what you're seeing right here. This is on a monthly chart. It broke out. It hit a high of like $72. It rejected. It came back down. Right now it's at like $50. This is on a month. But right now, if anything, if we is to create another channel for this, we'll have to do it on a smaller time frame because it only been out the channel for like a few days. So we need to go like to an hour time frame to even get a decent sized picture of what's going on.
Right.
And this is since it broke out right here. You know what I mean? On May 28th, it broke out, stayed up here. You know what I mean? Ran up, came down, ran up, came down. You see where it's at now. So, you know, it's playing around. This what I would do if I was charting it. I would create a channel for it just like this. You know, get a couple touches at the bottom. Let me get a few touches at the top. You know, see what's going on. That's what I'm seeing. You know, so if you see it up here, it could break out or it could fall back down. We don't know. But if it's enough hype around, if enough people was talking about it, if enough people was in group chats saying buy and hold, it can run up. It definitely can run up. And that's what these main stocks is. But what you ought to know is like, yeah, you probably making money still if you bought it down here at $30. You know what I mean? But imagine them people that bought it up here at 50, 60, $70, bro. Like, they're probably tight right now. They probably already sold. Like, I missed it. Man. You know what I mean? It then dipped all the way back down to what? 37. If you bought it at 70 and a few hours later it was at 37, you sick.
That's 50% loss.
Yeah, quick. Like you sick. You know what I mean? So that's why we say, like, take profits on these, bro. Yeah, it's a good trade. You can get in down here, ride it up here, see a double top. All right, that's an indication of reversal. Let me get out. Take your profits and wait till it come back down. Chart this out and
get greedy, man.
You know what I mean? When they hit this bottom 3 times, you be like, oh, that's a good bottom right there. It might be ready to run back up. And sure enough, a few hours later, it ran back up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's how you do this, man. Not a free game, man. Hope y'all taking this because it won't be free for long.
All right, but hey, AMC, man, I wanted to say this. AMC is so unpredictable. AMC, Best or not Best Buy, but BlackBerry, like all these different meme stocks. Even if you're looking at the charts and the charts say that it's about to go through the roof, it can still be unpredictable, man. Like you got millions of Reddit investors and you got people with millions of dollars. Also, like you got Bears versus Bulls, like so it can literally go any way. Like so, you either gonna make a lot of money or you're gonna lose a lot of money. And if you do make a little bit of money, get it up through, man. Go ahead and take your profits and run, man. Like
be comfortable with that. Be comfortable with that.
Most people that's getting crazy gains is people that just got money to blow. Like if I was a basketball player with 30 million in my bank account, I'll put 100K on a meme stock, like, cause I got 30 million to just blow. You feel me? But like us, like retail investors, we really should not be messing with this for real. Like that's only with like love bread, with bread that you willing to lose.
Facts, man. You got to be willing to let that bread go.
Yeah, for real.
You know what I mean? Be comfortable with sacrificing that because this is a real gamble. Like, you know, a lot of people getting paid off of this, but you know, it's man, everybody ain't getting paid. Imagine them people that got caught up in GameStop when they hit 500, and there was definitely some people. Ain't no doubt about it.
Expecting it to keep running.
Yeah, it was for sure some people that bought GameStop.
Yeah, I know it was.
Like guaranteed.
It had to be.
Guaranteed bought it up here at 480, and I can guarantee more than half of them sold it when it fell. Yeah, I mean,
and really, that's how. I wanted to say this too. That's how the hedge funds make money too. Oh, yeah. Whenever y'all buy the stock at a higher price and sell it at a lower price, they making money.
Oh yeah,
like that's how they make money on shorting the stock. They sell the stock to you, and they make money when you sell it at a lower price. Yeah. Like, so if you got shares of any of this, just hold it. Like, especially if you don't want the hedge funds to win. Like, cause that's really. If you a lot of meme stocks starting to calm down. Like,
and GameStop got earnings. Earnings is coming up on the 9th. Oh, that's tomorrow.
Oh,
that's why I was breaking out like this. Ah, man. I
probably, if they beat earnings just by a little bit, that's one reason for it to just spike. Like,
but look at this. They expected to do bad. They expected a negative. So if they do anything better than that, this boy can go crazy. But even if they don't,
that's not bad, honestly.
Even if they do miss and they make, they do worse than they expected, it still can run up because it's been doing that all year.
Right.
These earnings ain't been meaning.
I don't think like if you just want to think about like their actual sales and stuff, I don't think they got the PS5s in there. They probably got the games or whatever, but they don't got like nothing to where like people would want to go shopping in there. Honestly.
Yeah.
Like,
So we looked at AMC. Oh yeah, Wendy's real quick before we get. Oh my God, look at that run up on Wendy's. Hey, I'm looking for puts. Oh, I see a divergent, bro. I'm putting this tomorrow, bro.
oh, it's a huge gap.
Hey, bro. Oh my God, I'm about to, bro. I hope
Something crazy.
me. I hope they don't short
Crazy,
squeeze
yeah.
me, bro. I hope they don't short squeeze me, man. I'm giving y'all a lot of game. Oh man, all right, that's too much game.
Yeah, chill. Chill.
All right, bet. So yeah. Oh my God, that's on the day.
Yeah, bro. It went up 30% in one day.
Stop playing with me, bro.
That gap huge.
On the day. Let's go.
That's a gap. Like I know in one of these videos, bro told y'all what that means and
Yeah,
what's
gap.
gonna happen when stocks just run up like that and create a huge gap.
Mm-hmm. This another one that was shorted heavy, or they did it. It was a meme stop last year. Was SNDL?
Yeah,
I mean, y'all see what SNDL did? Broke out the channel, hit $4,
man.
way back to 86 cents, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine if you had 100,000. Imagine if you had $1,000 in that and you bought it at $3.
You
and
lost 90% of your
bro,
profit
you lost
or
90%, bro.
your investment.
Yeah, like come on now, bro. Like y'all got to be careful with these, man. You can't.
And like bro told y'all too, man. Every stock got to come back to its channel eventually on something. So rather it's a month, within a month, a year, 2 years, like it's gonna come back to that channel, man.
And this one ran up today. Look at that. It's Clover. This is another main stop. Just
man. See that gap? Oh nasty, my God. Man. Hold on.
This boy is nasty, bro. See,
oh
this is how I would chart, bro. Like
between 11 and 16.
Man, that's a big gap, bro.
No price action between there. Like
none at all. None at all.
Come on now, man. Whoever watching this video, man, y'all like the video, subscribe, man.
This game, bro.
We on here every Tuesday, Thursday. We teach financial literacy on Sundays.
Facts.
Answer a lot of questions, engage with y'all a little bit.
Man, y'all see where it's at, right, on the RSI, right? We talked about that RSI, bro. Look how that same line get respected every time it get that high on the RSI.
Literally. Oh, literally. Hold on.
No, we not doing it, bro.
It's at 90, like.
Bro, why would I buy this? Man. Why would I buy this, bro? Like, yeah, it ran up stupid today. It ran up to 24.93. 24.93. Bro, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. And it was just at $12. That's crazy. Like, that's double. Or almost double. That's like 90%. Quit playing. 85. Let me get accurate. 85 on a close, but it was 90% when it touched 24.93. So that's about 90%. But that's crazy. Or really 100% because it was at 12 and some change. It opened up. This is the day. Yesterday it closed at $11.92. So it went in at $12. So when it hit $24, it doubled up. It was at 100% gains.
Bro, like, you not about to believe this. I already don't want to say it in the chat, but I got to. I have to. This Clover Health, bro, it spiked up so much that every single put right now on Robinhood is in the money.
What?
Basically.
I need to tap in, bro. I need to tap in, bro. This one look like it's more ready. It's more ready for the putties than Wendy's did.
Oh wait, no. Basically, no. What I meant is, it's no out of the money puts. That's what I meant. It's no out of the money puts on the Clover Health.
So that mean they are in the money.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So
because it spiked up so much, like it was at 16 before it spiked up.
Clover was at
the last put was at $20 on here, so they wasn't even expecting nothing more than that.
Bruh, and it went past that, bruh. So imagine the people that got puts. Oh my God.
I was just looking at them, bro. They red right now, but hey, whoever watching this video, man, it's not financial advice. If y'all know what we're talking about right now. It's not financial advice.
Yes.
it can keep running. You know what I'm saying? It can do whatever. Like,
Yep, yep. So this is a good example of what we just said. They had earnings May 17th,
oh
a
yeah,
few
last
months
month.
ago, and they missed.
Yeah,
They missed their earnings. They
that,
expected
that was that was expected though.
they estimate was -11 and they did
Yeah.
-4. Oh, so that's kind of no, that's good. That's
Wait.
actually better because they expected -11. They only got yeah.
Oh, well,
So
they just counted them little last digits in
yeah.
there.
But yeah, and it did run up that time. But last year, like a lot of stuff was missing earnings and beating earnings and doing the opposite. So
Yeah,
you know them
for
earnings.
real. To
But
beat earnings and go down in price.
this is another one, y'all, that a lot of people been shorting, man. Like
Hey, with
I don't
Express
know.
Spot, man, like I say, tomorrow. Keep
Hey,
your eye on it, man.
stop it, bro. We can't be getting them on it, man. We can't, our financial advice, y'all, man. We just telling y'all what we see, what we know what's going on in the market. We stay tapped in because we want to keep y'all informed.
For
So
real.
we do know some stuff that it wouldn't even feel right to disclose because, like if you don't really know what's going on, then you're gonna be trying to rely on us to give y'all every single thing we know, and we can't do that. Like,
Right.
we ain't got enough time to tell y'all everything we know about each one of these stocks. So you got to do your own research and know what's going on. So you can pull the trigger and not be like, oh, I need somebody to tell me what to get. You know what I mean? But it's definitely a lot of stuff going on with all of these stocks, y'all. We definitely chart. And most of these stocks ain't really been following a technical analysis like they could. You know, some of them have, but you know, it's real, bro. It's real, man. So y'all definitely be safe playing these meme stocks, man. These meme stocks, they definitely real volatile, man. You know, one day it'd be up $100, the next day it'd be down 100. Look at that. This day, this stock opened at 241, had a high of 281, and closed at 232. So that's a $50 difference from the.
And that was within a few days.
No, this was one day, bro. This was literally one day.
Yeah.
This one candle right here.
Oh, that is one candle.
One day, bro. This is really
Wow.
one day. It did all that in one day. Ran all the way to the top, 348, top of the channel, touched it real quick, then fell all the way back down and closed. It closed at 265.
Man.
It closed right here. Ran up, went down, closed right here. Like people, bro.
And you could have bought it within that day and lost $50 plus.
Especially if you don't know what you're doing.
In one day. If you'd have bought that day at the top of that candle, you would have lost money.
I'm telling you, big bread.
Like,
big bread.
And then it ain't reached back up. It never reached back up.
It ain't get that high.
Candle. It still ain't reached back up to the top of that candle yet. So if you got in, you've been losing the whole time.
It's 350.
They don't pay a dividend, so they're not paying you.
And look, and if you peep game, it stopped at the resistance again. Look at this. It hit a high 380 something. What's up, bro? Hold away, bro. Like this, bro. This game is a dirty game, and if you don't know what you're gonna do, you're gonna get ate up, bro. That's why we're trying to give you the game. Look at that, man.
Man,
and people
y'all seen what it did last time. So what y'all think is gonna do this time?
Why y'all think the stock stopped right there? If you peep, look, it did it right here, and right here. That's 3 touches. That's a valid support right there. Or now
resistance.
This is a valid resistance, bro. Like that's it could break that. It could break that today, you know. Today with the 344. You know what I mean? It could break that tomorrow or something, but it ain't even touched this candle right here. This candle high was 348. So it missed it by $4. $5. Yeah. So yeah, man, just as long as y'all got the game and y'all know what y'all getting yourself into, man. No, man, these should be trades. These should not be investments, man. Most of these companies ain't expected to be around 5 years from now.
Jump in, jump out, man. That's how you legally turn 500 to 5 bands.
And you can keep getting in and out. And you can keep getting in and out. Like, you got a big enough bag, you can trade this stock all day, every day. And just
y'all see them big swings up and down like that.
Yeah, like if you catch one of these moves at the bottom of the day, like on GameStop, look at this. On this play right here, if you would have bought it at the bottom at 112, you could have sold it when it hit the high that same day. Oh my God.
For 198.
483.
Wait, hold on. 483,
bro. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, and it opened at 265.
Opened at 265, probably fell all the way down to 112, scared everybody.
And then closed at one.
And ran up there and then closed above. Man, that's crazy. At 325.
If anybody new in here, he looking at the top where it say GameStop, go across.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Oh, yeah, let him know.
Just tell you everything. O for open, H for high, L for low, C for close.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's how you get the quick the quick numbers on, where these candles is at. But, yeah, bro, like, if you know what you're doing, you could definitely make a big bag, man.
Yeah,
if it opened at 265 and closed at 193, that's a big gap right there. That's more than $100 gap right there, open and closed for sure. But it hit a low of 112 and a high of 483. Bro, that's $300.
Man, one contract probably would have cost like a band.
Oh yeah,
you could have made like 20 bands off that probably. Like I don't even know the math, but with the open interest as well.
Yeah.
Man,
we trade these, y'all, man. We do not invest in these, man. These is meme stocks. Like these are really jokes.
For real.
And people is running it up right now because they really getting ready for this crash that's coming, y'all. I ain't gonna tell too much, but just know, like, it can.
We had a video on the stock market crash. Yeah. Y'all want to go look at that?
Look at that, because that give a lot of game, man. These millionaires and billionaires, bro, all they doing is playing these right here, running a bag up, running it up to the max, because next year the market gonna be dry. When the market crash, all these new investors gonna be out. Yeah. They ain't gonna know what to do. They're gonna lose their bag and they're gonna be like, I'm done with the stock market. I'll never mess with it again.
Right. Yeah. I mean, that's what I want to prevent, man. I don't want y'all to invest in stuff like this and think that the stock market is a scam. It's not. Like it's what people is pumping up, what y'all see. Like y'all we gotta go look deeper into stocks and learn more about stocks before we invest all our money into it.
Like versus a meme stock versus a good company like Apple. So say the crash come and the meme stock get hit just like Apple do, and they both fall. The meme stock probably never gonna get back to that price. But Apple, if you hold that share long enough, it's gonna get back. It's a good company. So that's the difference. Like this is a trade. Apple is an investment. If the crash hit and you got to trade, get out the trade. You lost, period. It's cool. But if you got an investment that you're going to hold for 5 years, bro, you hold that. You buy more, and then you wait for it to run back up again.
And you receive dividends over time. So if a stock market crash ever happened, it can be a stock market crash watching this 3 months from now. If y'all watching this and it's 3 months and it's a stock market crash, if y'all got dividends, just average down and hold. Y'all still receiving them same dividends, probably if they ain't cut it or whatever, but y'all still receiving that same dividend or whatever, just average down, y'all still getting paid through a recession. Good companies only, though.
Facts. Good companies only, man. And brother Dividend King, man, he'll definitely tell you a bunch of those. We're going to get into those.
Yeah, we're gonna get something going, man. We're going to get the Discord.
Oh, yeah.
Popping and all that, man.
I even have a dividend.
Calls, puts, all that.
Yeah. So that's
you want to close this out, bro?
Yeah, most definitely, man. So just keep in mind, y'all, these meme stocks, bro, like these are definitely trades. These are not investments, y'all. Like I don't see none of these companies, for the foreseeable future being these prices. You know what I mean? In 5 years, I don't expect none of these stocks to be this price.
Honestly,
whether they be up or down. You know what I mean? So we trade these, man. We get in.
Maybe Wendy's though. Wendy's, hey. I like Wendy's.
Probably get back to that. You know what I mean? SNDL can probably, running up because SNDL is like actually a decent company. You know what I mean? Especially for years to come. You know what I mean? AMC possibly we'll see what's going on with the theaters, but y'all need to know what y'all investing in before y'all get in, because somebody tell you a stock, they don't tell you the backdrop about the stock and what's really going on with the stock, and you put your money in the stock and it fall and you be like, what's going on? You know what I mean? Is it ever gonna come back? You don't even know. So I'm telling you, man, the best thing to do is get some game about what you're investing in and know the difference between an investment and a trade, man. These are trades. These are not investments, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all be safe out here in the stock market because it's a dirty game, bro. It's a dirty game, man. But Yeah, man. Make sure if you got some good knowledge off of this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell to all. We need all so you can get notified when we go live every Tuesday and Thursday. And keep in mind, man, we want to teach y'all the game for free, so you find your own stock. You ain't gotta really pay nobody to tell you what stock to buy. I mean, unless you want to pay us, because we definitely gonna have that for y'all.
Right.
I mean, it's coming. Believe that, man. We're gonna make it real easy for y'all, man. But yeah, we about to get up out of here for the day, man. Respect everybody that put up on us and watch the video. Respect the people that's gonna pull up in the future to watch these videos, man. Much love.
Show y'all, yo.